In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undelete channel on Discord. The key to recovering a deleted channel is preparation. We'll set up an automatic way to bring channels back by creating a server backup before anything gets removed. This takes just a few minutes and can save you from a lot of stress later. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want protection in place. You'll need permission to manage the server to continue. Once you're in, look for the app directory in the left sidebar. This is where you can add trusted apps and bots to your server. In the app directory, use the search bar to type Xenon. Xenon is a popular, well-established backup bot that can save your server's structure, including channels and categories. Select Xenon from the results to open its page, then choose Add App. Pick the correct server if prompted, click Continue, and review the permissions it needs. These are required so the bot can read your server's structure and recreate it when needed. Click Authorize to add the bot. When you see the confirmation, choose Go to Discord bot to jump back into your server with Xenon now installed. In any text channel where the bot has access, type // to open the command menu and type Backup. From the suggestions, choose the Backup Create command. Run it to generate a snapshot of your server's current setup. Wait for the confirmation message. That means your backup is saved. This backup is what lets you recreate a channel if it's ever deleted. If something goes wrong later and a channel disappears, you'll be able to use Xenon's restore tools to bring back the structure from this snapshot. A helpful tip: create a fresh backup before making big changes like renaming categories, reorganizing channels, or cleaning up old areas. That way your snapshot matches your latest layout. Over time, you might not need every backup you've made. If you want to tidy things up, open the / commands again, type backup, and use the backup delete command to remove an old snapshot you no longer need. Only delete backups you're certain you won't rely on. That's it. By adding Xenon, authorizing it, and creating a backup with Backup Create, you've set yourself up to quickly recover a deleted channel structure. Keep your backups current and you'll always have a safety net ready.